When you are working with someone in the pipeline, right, a lead who's coming in, to say like, hey, do you happen to know anyone that you work with or any friends or family members that may want to start with you? It's really beneficial to go to school with a buddy. So yes, that can happen at admissions, but we also do it at every milestone in our program. When we publish a dean's list, we reach out to students and say, Lauren, did you know that you made the dean's list? Congratulations, you're amazing. We would love to work with more students like you. Let us know if you know a friend who could also come back. So milestones in your program, when maybe it's that they just attended the very first session that you hosted or the first course, you should be asking for referrals anytime there's a positive part of the program, and especially at graduation. We take advantage of holidays as well. At Christmas, we love to do, give the gift of education, refer another nurse to this program. Not just at holidays. There's something called Nurses Week in May. We always ask then. So if there is something specific to your field, a time when the folks in your field are really celebrated, that's a great time to ask for referral leads and say, share the gift of education, change someone's future, things like that. Really take advantage of seasonality.